Hi, it's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I brought in my Beaver 99 diesel pusher. I backed it up in the garage. I turned the key off. Everything was looking good. Closed the door. Got outside. I always do a walk around, even in my garage. All right, so look around. Look at everything. Everything looking pretty good. And I walked by the passenger side. All of a sudden, I said, what is that? So I hurry up and run, check each position of the tire, because I have ride height control valves. And that kind of air leak, you would expect maybe one of the bags blew or the ride height would change. So they all were good. So I said, all right, let me crawl under here and find out what it was. Well, I'll show you what it was. It was right there, the low pressure warning sensor came off. I mean, literally come off. This is the original one, 22 years old. So I'll get it off and clean it up. I believe they blow out at 60 psi. All right, because right there, right, that's a contact switch. I can't even push it with my hand. So the sizes that we need are right here. We hold on to this one and turn this one. So the two sizes are 7/8, right, which is the sensor itself. See, I'm turning it off. But before I broke it loose, I used this wrench, 13/16, to hold that nut, just in case, right? There you go, there you go. Now, while I was up there, I'm going to show you something. I said, oh, man, I've only got one wire, and it's to the ground. So this wire goes to the ground, so it tells me it's a pull down switch, okay? When the pressure's low, it activates the buzzer up there. Well, this wire, I'll blow it up a little bit for you here. This wire was corroded. So I'm gonna fix the wires and the tank pressure sensor. I'm going to clean it up in order. I know what PSI, so I'll probably put in an 81 if I can find it, because by the time 60 is activated, well, then we have other issues, because that's when the brakes lock up on your air, on people that have true air brakes. I have air over hydraulics. So still I need to know if I'm losing air pressure. But that's the wet tank, and there's another tank up there if you can see it. Hold on, get my flashlight. Didn't mean to make this a long video. See, there's the second tank, and it has a pressure sensor on it too. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna order them both, get them fixed, clean up the harness. I told you this would be a quick video. This is the air pressure warning switch. Now, some of you ain't gonna have it this easy, all right, because this is on the slide. I could push the slide out, and it gave me some access room. Some of your air tanks are in between the frame, under stuff. There's water tank under the air tank. But folks, if they get too old, you got to change them. If I was on the road, really, it wouldn't hurt nothing, because I got plugs for these that I would have plugged off the sensor and then kept on rolling down the road. So thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Just a quick video on a air system, air compressor, and wet tank and dry tank low pressure warning switch that blew off. Take care. Bye-bye.